to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So I know the canvas video was for Wednesday, but I posted something else on Wednesday because I was in love with Peppa Pig. But keeping my canvas videos to continue, I am going to post it today, and I have this cute little canvas kit from Walmart. It is absolutely cute, and this hedgehog looks amazingly cute. But this kit has two canvas, and you can see both the paintings right here, and the fox looks good too. It says an adventure is waiting, and I really love this. It comes with 6 paint pots and a brush, and for fun, the brush is not the plastic one, and I'm really excited to use it. Hoping it's not that bad as a plastic brush, but by no means, if it is bad, I have my backup brush, the one I got from Hobby Lobby, and this is a size 1 paintbrush, and it's by the Fine Touch. I did not get a very expensive one because I have not started painting my own paintings yet, so I haven't purchased anything expensive. These were really inexpensive. I think I got 7 brushes for I don't remember. It was a long time ago. Don't even ask. I don't even want to try and remember it. So anyways, let's get to the table and start coloring. Open this kit and then start coloring at the table, and let's go ahead and open this kit. And I want to try and save the back so I can, I always color the canvas similar to what is on here, and I want to try and do that. And today we are going to color the hedgehog, and it also comes with this cute easel. This is so cute. I know I had got a black one for my Halloween kit, and I'm going to save this so I can hang my paintings. And it comes with the silica gel, and make sure I throw it away. And these are the 2 canvas. I'm going to leave the fox for next week's video, and then the hedgehog is the one we are going to color today. So let's go ahead, and if you can see, the brush is really thick, so I'm not sure. I'll start painting with it for the bigger areas. Probably for the smaller areas I might use my regular brush. So let's go ahead and speed color the hedgehog, and then I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright guys, so I had to come back on camera because I wanted to show you something. The paints in here are super dry, and it's not just one paint, it's all 6 paints. All of them are dry, and I don't see any hope for them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the colors, and I'm going to use these paint pots that I saved from my previous canvas painting kits. So if you haven't watched my other canvas painting kits, I will have all the links to all my canvas painting kits down in the description for you guys to check out. Alright guys, so let's begin coloring, and the first color we are going to use is brown, and we are going to color the hedgehog and hedgehog's body and the trunks for the trees brown. Now let's go ahead and color the mushroom, the dots in the mushroom, the center of the flower, and the sun yellow, and one of the mushrooms yellow. Now let's go ahead and mix the yellow and red to make orange and color the stumps of the mushrooms orange and the cheeks of the sun orange. And then I'm going to take some red and color the mushroom and the circle of the other mushroom red. And then I'm also going to color the flower on the hedgehog red. Now we're going to take some green and color the trees green. And then we are going to color one area of the hill the same green as the trees, and then mix in yellow with the green to make it a lighter shade of green and color the area green where the hedgehog is. Now let's go ahead and color the sky light blue. To make the sky visible, let's paint in some clouds with darker shade of blue. Let's color the body of the hedgehog first and then color in the clouds with the darker blue. Now take some green and mix in with a little bit of blue to make it a darker shade of green, and then make leaves on the grass. Right guys, so I am back on camera and I have completed my painting, and the hedgehog looks absolutely adorable. Although we had a minor mishap and the colors were not good, they had all dried up and there was no hope of saving them because they had become like plastic. And I can show you right here, look. And the amount of paint that they gave us for 2 canvas was like absolutely nothing, and it disappointed me. But like I always save all my paint pots from previous canvas, but I had to use my mom's brown color paint and work with it because I didn't have a brown color paint in my box of paints, and I had to use hers, which was okay. But I was still disappointed that for 2 canvas they only gave us this much paint, plus all of them had already dried up, and it's a pretty new kit, so it was bought recently. It was not like a while ago. So I am really disappointed. Look at this other color, and I'm just not happy with the way this colors turned out, although the quality of the canvas was really good. The one thing that I did not like was the name down here. They could have put it anywhere but not on the painting, because then it looks like if I want to display this painting, the name can be seen. So a little disappointment, a little hiccups, but everything worked fine. This paintbrush did a good job, but again, it's too frayed out at the front, so it was really hard for me to paint with it, so I just ended up painting with my own brush. So that's about it, guys. We will definitely do the fox in the next video, because I really love it, love the way the fox looks, and I love the way the saying goes, an adventure is waiting. So I'm definitely going to do this next week with my own paints. I'm just going to ditch these and throw them in trash because I'm really disappointed with it. But that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me color this beautiful little cute hedgehog, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I promise you, I will be posting videos every single day, coloring and then diamond painting videos on Saturdays. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.